everybody, welcome to another episode of Details Uncovered. Today we are at ProVia's Walnut Creek facility where we manufacture our entry doors. And we're going to talk to Mike today, and he's going to tell us a little bit about what he does. So what are you doing here? This looks like the start of the process.
Well, we're loading casing right now onto the loader, which is going to run then through the sander. And after the sander, it's going to go to what we call the flat line painter.
So these are totally unfinished pieces right now.
These are primed. They did start unfinished. We did prime them first, and then we will paint them.
You look like you're really busy. You're like really hustling to get this stuff on here.
Yeah, we got to keep it loaded. Our painter here has 3 guns. We paint the front side, the top side, and the back side of the part before it goes into the oven. It's a 5-minute travel time from the start of the oven to the end of the oven. Once it comes out of the oven, then we're going to place it onto carts to let it cure a little bit more before we send it out to the packaging department to package up and send with our unit.
Does this spray all of one color, like all the pieces for one color at once?
We will spray all of the snow mist first, and then we'll go through our progression from light to dark. Okay. The last color of the day will be coal black.
Awesome. Well, thank you for taking the time to talk to us. I know it looks like you're very busy and you probably already have to put some more pieces on that line, so I'll let you go, but thank you.
You're welcome.